Even if you are an angel, there will be people who will be disturbed by the sound of your wings. You have to understand that other people's perceptions and emotions have nothing to do with you. The thoughts of others do not define your worth. You will meet many people who will try to project their own insecurities onto you, and there is a risk that you will accept the image of others. To protect yourself, you must internalize that others don't even have the ability to define you. They are unable to see inside you, and their perception of you is nothing but a sign of their own qualities. Even if you are good, there will always be people who say otherwise. But you are not a reflection of others. You're merely a reflection of yourself.